Hey everyone, AYANEO's Pocket Micro, part of the company's Remake hardware line, stands out in a market of nostalgia-driven devices. With a product lineup that includes a dual-screen gaming PC, inspired by the Nintendo DS and a power bank designed like a Super Nintendo, the AYANEO Pocket Micro aims to capture the charm of the Game Boy Micro. But can it succeed where its predecessor fell short? The Pocket Micro's retro design takes clear inspiration from the Game Boy Micro, yet it is noticeably larger and more robust. Constructed with a CNC aluminum frame, laminated glass front, and a plastic back panel, the device feels premium and durable. At 3.5 inches, its 960 by 640 IPS touchscreen is bright and colorful, though lacking the deeper contrast of OLED displays. The bigger size compared to the Game Boy Micro adds comfort, but makes portability in your pocket somewhat challenging. The device has a thoughtful layout, with the D-pad perfectly positioned for intuitive gameplay, sitting above the left analog stick, unlike the less ergonomic AYANEO Pocket S. The Hall sensor-powered analog sticks are responsive but slightly intrusive. Accidental thumb movements can sometimes interfere with gameplay, which is a drawback for a device so focused on compact form. The face buttons, though small, are functional and contribute to the minimalistic feel. However, the raised analog sticks make pocketing difficult, something crucial for a device named Pocket Micro. Navigating the Android 13 OS on the Pocket Micro's compact touchscreen can be tricky. Google's mobile OS isn't naturally suited to smaller displays, and typing on the on-screen keyboard can be frustrating. While you might rely less on the touchscreen after initial setup, the challenge remains a notable issue. That said, AYANEO's inclusion of custom software like AYA Space and AYA Home improves usability by allowing users to configure settings quickly and organize retro game libraries with box art and screenshots for a personalized touch. Under the hood, the Pocket Micro is powered by a Helio G99 chipset, which, while serviceable, is not as robust as the Helio S found in its sibling device. This results in limitations when emulating more demanding consoles like the PS2 and GameCube. For example, running Burnout 3 on the OpenGL renderer led to unplayable stutter, with some improvement on Vulkan. Lower-end PS2 games and Dreamcast-era titles fare much better, but pushing the device to its limits engages its fan system, which, though small, can be loud in this form factor. However, the device shines in emulation of older systems like the GBA, PS1, and 16-bit consoles. Games like Golden Sun, Gunstar Superheroes, and Super Mario World look fantastic on the 3.5-inch display, making it a perfect companion for retro gamers who prioritize these platforms. Android's flexibility also means access to a vast library of native games from the Google Play Store. Titles like Castlevania, Symphony of the Night, GTA, San Andreas, and Dead Cells perform admirably on the Pocket Micro, enhancing its versatility beyond pure emulation. The Pocket Micro packs a 2600 mAh battery, which is on the smaller side for handheld emulators. Under high-performance mode, with the fan engaged, battery life can dip to just a few hours. In balanced or low-power mode, gamers might squeeze 4 hours of use. It's a trade-off between performance and battery life, a common theme for such devices, but still something to be mindful of for longer gaming sessions. The AYANEO Pocket Micro offers a visually striking and compact homage to the Game Boy Micro, combining modern Android gaming with retro emulation. Its design and build quality stand out, giving it a premium feel in hand. However, its processing limitations, coupled with challenges in navigating Android on such a small screen, make it less suitable for higher-end emulation and AAA Android titles. If you're a retro gaming enthusiast seeking a stylish, well-crafted handheld for 16-bit and below, or someone looking for a device that can also run popular Android games, the Pocket Micro is an enticing option. For those who want more power for higher-level emulation, it may be worth exploring AYANEO's other offerings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and see you soon.